Hello everyone, we continue to model Purlins on the rows. Click on the Tekla Structural Designer. We want to use the option in Edit and Create in Fill. Before you can use the option, you must to draw in close beam. Click on the model beam, first beam and second beam to enclose the frame. After that, you can use the option. We will delete the beam to later. Don't worry, just click it. Click on the slope to create slope on the rows. 1 point, second point, insert point. 1 point, second point, insert point. Escape. Click on the slope. Slope 1, double click, edit, create in fill, change the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And take auto design option and change the section. Change this design section. We use the C section and C150 GC select. Change design section order. You can find it in the category, add new one and type it the GC. Yes, call it GC. Import it all. Click OK. Find it GC, select. And take a top plane consumer restraint. Change the measure alignment to the bottom. Click, 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 click. View 3D, check from view. Check the rotation of the section. Correct. Okay, you can delete it. Turn the grid line off. Select Control. Select. Delete. Okay. Select Control, select, right click, copy. Or you can use another method by use cross select, right click, copy, and take member. Right click, copy. Check it again, front. Yeah, the section is okay. Select the Purlins. Use edit and mirror. Click the best point, click the second point. From view to check. Yes, it's okay. Turn the architectural grid on. We continue to model on the grid line S. frame 1, frame 2, add a new frame, model, frame, click on the frame S, double click frame S, and select the edit, create infill, change the section. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Input it 5. Enter, select. Click on 3D from view to check. Change the rotation to 90 degrees. And change the measure level, snap level to bottom. Change the measures offset. Yes, it's okay. Now you can delete the section inside here. Control select, Control select, delete. Right view, click Control, click, right click, copy, click on the front view again to check. Yes, that's correct. Use the mirror. Select it again to change the rotation. Yes, minus 90 degrees from view to check it. It's okay right now for the girt Purlins. Copy the Purlins to the side, the right side. Select. Right click, copy. Click the base point. Tie S2. Tie 0.3. Enter. The same from view. And select the Purlins. Use the mirror. Click the base point, click the second point. Complete. This is how you can model Purlins and girt or side rail in Tekla Structural Designer. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. We will continue to the next step. Thank you for your watching. Thank you.